Are you ready?
Yep. Ready.
Start again.
Yeah, let's go again on that one. Yeah, that's it. Right, so we just turned up on site. We're with a very familiar face here, Roxanne from Ladbaby. So, Roxanne, what are we doing today?
We are going to surprise Mark, Ladbaby, with a brand new garage. I don't know how you're going to do it. I don't think I'm going to do it, but I'm going to sit and watch you.
We're going to do a good
Turn
job.
it
It's
into
going to
the
be
dream
the
garage.
best one we've done to date.
Yeah.
We're going to smash it. Let's surprise him, eh?
This is going to be
Let's do
wild.
That's not heavy.
Watch out, there's a lot of...
Right, so we've cleared up, we've masked up, we've taken the lights down, so now we are ready for paint.
This has been such a hard thing to do. All this painting. It's dry. Here we go. Look, here's the proper grafter. Look how quick it's been done. I can't believe it. We're nearly halfway there. So exciting.
Right, so we've got the walls painted, finally. We're just getting the lights up now. Ethan's just giving me a hand with that. Then it's onto the floor and onto that big cabinet set. Let's go.
Right, so the pressure's on now. Roxanne's just come out and told us that Mark's on his way back. So he'll be back in 2 hours. We've still got the cabinets to go down. It's the biggest set we do, so pressure's on. Let's see. Hopefully we can get it done. I reckon we got it.
So, do you think Mark will like it?
I think he's going to blow his mind. This is insane. Thank you so much. He is... I actually think he's going to die. 3, 2, 1, go! Mark, I've done your garage! I've done your dream garage! What do you think? Oh my God. Incredible.
Right, so
We've just surprised Mark and he's still in shock. He can't get over it. But what do you think?
Honestly, it is insane. Like, we've lived here for what, 2.5, 3 years?
Yeah.
This has been like just the dumping ground for everything in our house. I've always wanted it to look half decent. I've obviously followed you guys on Instagram forever and seen everything you've done, and I can't believe it's now mine! It's now mine! Honestly, it's insane. Thank you so much.
We managed to get you. So there you go. Now you can come and live out in the garage.
and put all of your storage.
Yeah, all your crap.
Oh yeah, all that, yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Push that out.
Yeah. The fact they can all lock is perfect.
Yeah.
I can keep everything away.
Yeah.
Lock all my things up. Honestly, I just said a minute ago, I don't know what I can put in here that's not going to ruin it. I just want it to stay like
You
this
have to
forever.
just get me a new car now, love, haven't you? Eh?
There you go. Oh, that was the trade, did you know?
Yeah.
That was in the small print.
Now I need a car. You've
Fine.
heard it here.
Honestly, I just thought she was going to make it Christmas. At this time of year, every year she turns one of the rooms into Christmas, as inflatables, as Christmas trees.
This is your Christmas
That's
gift.
what I thought was happening.
Wow.
So thank you. You can turn the rest of the house Christmas. I'll stay here.
Right, that's us all finished. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.